Well, Dagny is processing mushrooms. She buys them, whoops, there we go, for a really good price at what, Costco or Sam's?
Sam's.
Big thing.
Yep.
And she processes them. How do you keep them good in the fridge?
And just put them in the crisper. Put a paper towel under them in the bowl and...
Dry paper towel?
Yes. Dry paper towel.
And this little contraption she's using is something her mother bought her. Ugh. Let me get back and try to get this.
It has a little container if you were just chopping a few little things.
Yeah, you see the container in the bottom. Now, even though it says as seen on TV, Dagny just advised me you can you can buy this at Walmart in a section called as seen on TV.
My mother's favorite aisle.
But she does that, and we have sliced mushrooms for any meal we want. Oh, look at that girl go. Now, I'm very rusty at making a video. I haven't made any videos for a long time.
It's 1.5 pounds of mushrooms in less than 5 minutes. The longest is it takes to clean them.
You heard it here first. Oops.
Whoa.